Hey you guys, so for your classroom assignment for this week, you are going to be responding to a question or a couple of questions on a little website called Padlet. And what we're going to be discussing this afternoon in class comes from Chapter 8. We're going to be taking a look at punishment and reinforcement and just a couple of different types of ways that parents raise their children, a different type of child rearing, things like that. So I just want to see what you guys think about that. Some of you may have your own children and some of you may not, but one day you may. So you might already be thinking about, well, what am I going to do, when my child misbehaves? It's probably not going to be an if, it'll probably be a when they misbehave. So I just want to kind of see where your thoughts are on punishment and things like that. So what you see on the screen right now is Padlet. So all you have to do is go in. First, I'm going to show you how to create one. You are not going to be making one. You're just going to be responding to the one that I've already created. Padlet is really easy to use. You can use it for any subject, any grade, whatever you want to do. So you just type in Padlet.com and it brings it up and it's free. You can make up to 10 Padlets without being charged. So, it's because I don't want to sign up. Oh my goodness. Log in. Y'all, it's Monday. That's all I can say. And it's VBS at my church, so, oof. Okay, here we go. So here are some Padlets I've already done. If you want to make a Padlet, you just go over here and click Make a Padlet. And here are all the ones that you can choose from. There's just these. And then you can pick a template for it to look like. Or you can actually request one if these aren't the ones that you're looking for. Shoot them a little email or request and they'll make it up for you. So I'll just select a wall one. Okay. You can give your Padlet a title. So I'm going to keep going with Ellie Mae because I love my doggie. And my description of her, she is just an old English bulldog. All right. Here are the wallpapers you can choose from. You just click more. And, oh, this is cool. They just added this one. That's really fun. That has nothing to do with the dog, but whatever. So you just choose whichever one. Donuts. You just choose whatever you want for your wallpaper. Okay. People are going to make posts on your Padlet, so you can choose however you want their posts to show up on your Padlet. You can even now choose a font style. Previously, you could not do that. So I like that one. That's cute. Okay, you can pick a picture to appear up right here by your title. If you do not see one that you like, you can add your own. Just type in a link to a photo or you can choose an image from your computer. So you can do that if you want to. Or you can just take a photo from your webcam. Okay, those are your icons. All right, and then this is just how you can post. If you want the author's name to display, then you need to leave this on. Okay. Also, if you want to shut down any profanity, if someone tries to, put some bad language up there, it will replace it with a nice little emoji. I used to not have that. Okay. So, and then you can tag your Padlet to make people trying to find your Padlet a little easier. All right, so when you've done all that, you just click Next. Privacy, you can make your Padlet private, so only you and the people that you add to it can find it. You can give it a password, so make sure you pick something nice or they will, shut that down too. You can make it secret or you can make it public so anybody can find this. Okay. I'm just going to leave it. I don't care. Right now, I'm just showing y'all. All right, so you're all set. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how to actually post on the Padlet. So I'm going to log out on this. Yes, I just want to get out. All right. So what is going to happen is you are going to receive an email from me to your student email, okay? Your student email for JSU. You're going to receive an email and it's going to look like this. It's going to say, please respond to this Padlet by Thursday, June 7th, 2018, 11:59 p.m. And then it'll say made with love, and then it will have this URL. All you have to do is click on that URL and it's going to take you straight to the Padlet I want you to respond to. The password for this Padlet is FCS352. It's this course. And then submit. And it's going to pop up right on your screen, okay? And what I want you to respond to is punishment. So what are your thoughts on punishment? They can be positive or negative. Are you for or against punishment? If you are for it, what types of punishment do you agree with? If you're against it, what are some other methods do you or would you use? Okay. To post on here, what you need to do is come down here to this little circle where it has a plus sign and just click on that. And then, oh, it may not let me because I'm in the way. Oh, here we go. Okay. And then you are able to type something about punishment. So what are your thoughts on punishment? You can put, I am for punishment. If I can spell, I'm for punishment. I think it is great because, you know, and then just keep going. Okay. If you are not for, you know, just be honest, you know. I'm sorry. And in this title block, I should have told you in your title block, please put your name so that I know you have posted, and then put, I do not agree, y'all, with punishment. I think there are other ways to discipline a child, since I cannot type today, to discipline, you know, and just, you know, keep on going, okay? So you should have, you know, maybe 2 or 3 sentences, you know, to answer this, but you have till Thursday. So if you have any questions, just call me or email me, come by my office, and we can work on this together. So that's about it. If you happen to mess up, like you're just like, okay, I don't like this post at all you gotta do is click trash can, and you can delete it, and you can come back down to this plus sign, and you can start over, okay? So that's just how you do that. And then when you're done, you just click on the X, and that's it. I do suggest that you do not use Safari for this this website. Sometimes Padlet and Safari do not want to be friends. So go with Google Chrome, Firefox, just anything else besides Safari. All right, that's all for now. I will see y'all later this afternoon. Bye.